If you'd like to change your YouTube channel name but you don't know how, why not stay tuned and watch this video till the end as I show you how. Hey there, my name is Beulah Olarde. If you are new here, welcome. Please subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. To change your YouTube channel name if you're using a personal account is to create a brand account. If your account is a personal account, changing your YouTube channel name means changing your Google account name. So if you'd like to change your YouTube channel name without changing your Google account name, go to your YouTube channel, click on your profile picture, click on settings, then create a new channel. Here is where you create a brand account. Type in your brand account name, then click on create. After the account has been created, you merge your personal account and brand account together. How? Let me show you. Simply go to www.youtube.com/account_advanced, or from your YouTube channel, click on your profile picture, click on settings, then advanced settings. Click on move channel to a brand account. You will be asked to reconfirm your password to verify it is you. In this example, we are moving an existing account to a brand account. So choose an account to move the channel to. I'm moving my channel to the new channel I just created, the How To Instructor channel. If you move your channel, the currently connected channel will be deleted. The following will be permanently deleted: comments you've made, your replies and thumbs up on comments, your search and watch history. If you wish to proceed, then delete the channel. You will still have the same channel URL, videos, views, and subscribers. If you have a custom URL, it will not be moved. Your YouTube channel has been successfully moved. It may take up to 10 minutes for updates to your account to be completed. The channel has been updated now. The benefits of having a brand account are: you can change your channel name and not your personal name on Google. You can add other people to your YouTube channel, such as people who will upload videos on your behalf, people who will help you manage your account and do stuff for you, especially if it is a company's account or a big brand's account. I hope this video helped. Please like and share this video with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more how-to and tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.